Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to understand Minecraft seed. As you can see, this is a seed that you can simply copy and paste onto a new world. So what is a seed? A Minecraft seed is a unique string of numbers or characters that acts as the DNA for generating a world. Because computers cannot create true randomness, they use mathematical formulas where the seed serves as the starting value. This means the same seed will always generate the exact same terrain, including biomes, mountains, caves, and structures. So, core concept of seeds is for repeatability. So using the same seed results in an identical map every time, allowing players to share cool worlds with others. The random myth. So if you leave the seed block or box blank, Minecraft doesn't pick a random world. It uses your computer's system time in milliseconds as the seed to generate a unique code for you. If you use text, example glacier, instead of numbers, Minecraft converts letters into a numeric code. Importantly, glacier will generate completely different worlds when it comes to capital G and small g, because the capitalization changes the math. And that is about it. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.